53 na. May ebidensya pala. Okay. Dali lang, nagre-ring yung phone ko. Okay. Salamat at masaya ako dahil binigyan ka ng matagumpay na buhay sa Panginoon, ng Panginoon at siyempre successful yung business mo at alam ko talagang gusto mo magserbisyo sa tao. Yan ang desire. Kailangan natin pagdasal, guidance ng Panginoon kasi kung kagustuhan niya ay magaganap talaga yan. All things are possible with God. So, we have to remember that without God in our life, we are nothing. So, God first before everything else.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. We wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. And God bless you and guide you, protect you, and He will change the way you think. Okay? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, friend. Nandito lang kami na kumpare mo, kaibigan mo, karamay mo sa maginhawa o masalimot sa buhay. Nandito kami, katulong mo. Anytime.
So we have live here.
Mapasarap sa kalisdanan o sa kayuhan.
Message to Atty. Salathandre by the legendary Manny Pacquiao, the congressman of Zamboanga,
na lagi nakasuporta sa iyo sa hirap at ginhawa.
Los Santos City, Sarangani Province.
Pwede mo kaming tawagin.
Live here at Layam Hotel. It's Maurice.
Yes.